Stuffed Animal Secrets. Every morning, as the sun peeked through the curtains, little Emma would line up her stuffed animals on her bed before heading off to school. She always wondered what they did while she was away. One day, she decided to leave her closet door slightly ajar, hoping to catch a glimpse of their secret lives. As soon as Emma left, the stuffed animals sprang to life. Teddy, the brave leader, gathered everyone for their daily meeting. "All right, team," he said. "Today we have a special mission. We need to find the missing button from Mr. Floppy's ear." The stuffed animals knew that the house was full of hidden passages and secret doors. They ventured into the closet, where they discovered a tiny door behind Emma's winter coat. Pushing it open, they found themselves in a magical forest, filled with talking trees and sparkling streams. Teddy led the way, with Mr. Floppy, Sparkles the unicorn, and Buttons the bear following closely. They encountered a wise old owl who told them that the button was stolen by the mischievous pixies living in the enchanted meadow. The journey to the enchanted meadow was filled with challenges. They had to cross a rickety bridge over a bubbling brook and outsmart a sly fox who tried to lead them astray. Along the way, they made new friends, like Luna the fairy, who offered to help them. When they finally reached the meadow, the pixies were having a grand celebration. Teddy and his friends approached the pixie queen and explained their quest. The queen, impressed by their bravery, agreed to return the button if they could solve her riddle. The riddle was tricky, but with teamwork and clever thinking, the stuffed animal solved it. The pixie queen kept her promise and returned the button. Mr. Floppy was overjoyed, and they all celebrated with the pixies before heading back home. As the sun began to set, the stuffed animals hurried back through the hidden passage. They returned to Emma's room just in time, arranging themselves as if nothing had happened. When Emma came home, she noticed the button was back on Mr. Floppy's ear and smiled, wondering if her stuffed animals had their own adventures while she was away. Like and subscribe.